Before we start looking into our PayPal MCP server, it's really important to actually understand the software development kit, or as we call it, the agent development kit that we would be using for our code. And that is called Google ADK. Now, what does that stand for? So Google ADK is a Google's agent development kit, which is flexible and provides modular framework for developing and deploying AI agents. While actually what Google says, it's optimized for Gemini and Google ecosystem, ADK is model agnostic, right? What does it mean when we say model agnostic? Model agnostic means today you can use it for GPT models, tomorrow you can use it for DeepSeek, you could use it for Llama. Then it is deployment agnostic, right? Deployment agnostic means that you can use it in Azure, you can use it in AWS, you could even tomorrow use it for Llama probably, and is built for compatibility with other frameworks, right? All the popular frameworks that, let's say you want to do it with LangChain, you want to do it with Llama Index. So it is built for compatibility with other frameworks. And it says ADK was designed to make agent development feel more like software development, to make it easier for developers to create, deploy, orchestrate the agentic architecture. So that's the kind of, you can say, software development kit for creating agents, which has been created by Google. And the library is so simple. They've just called it Google-ADK. Here it says pip install. We will use UV add Google ADK. Pretty simple. The only thing that you need to be aware of is very important, is how you actually work on this, right? It's slightly different the way it is structured. So it's very important that you need to have a parent folder, and don't worry, we will actually do a more deep dive into this, and I'll show you how this is all structured. And what it says is you will have a parent folder, and then you need to have a multi-tool agent. Like you can say you need to have a subfolder. And in that subfolder, these three files are very important, and you need to have these files, otherwise you will end up getting wrong results, or you will end up having a lot of issues when you execute the code. Right, so this can be any kind of directory, but these are important. So if you see, we have the init.py. And in init.py, you need to have this line which says from .import agent. So you're calling your agent from within this. The next one is agent.py, right? It creates an agent.py file in the same folder. So as I said, structure is very important. And then the .env, as the name suggests, it is the environment file. So whatever environment variables you want to give, let's say you want to give the PayPal token ID, you want to specify your say Gemini token, or you need to specify the Gemini API key. So all that goes inside that, and you actually execute it using ADK web. So you can actually read about it. See, this is how you run the command, right? So it says using the terminal, once you have created this, then you need to do ADK web, right? And you will see that it will actually open up the web interface from which you can execute the commands. So I hope you liked the video. So let's take a look at the PayPal MCP servers in the next video.